Hey, Gaspar.
Alex, what's up?
Not the best.
You tell me.
I actually missed my third cup of coffee this morning, so my brain is refusing to work properly.
Okay, I sense trouble. I can help?
And you know, I always answer your questions.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping you'd be able to answer a few questions about the platform.
I'll do my best. Tell me.
So I've been trying to navigate on the platform to find out where I can set the pending orders. How do I do that?
Pending orders. Easy. On the main screen, on the right side, you click Enable Orders, then you set the time or price level you want to have it open, and it's done.
That was super easy.
Yeah.
I've spent the whole time trying to navigate.
No way, it's easy.
Anyway, see you. I'm going to do that then.
Anytime.
Gaspar.
Yeah, hi Alex. What's up?
Nothing much.
So, tell me.
I have one more question.
Sure. Go ahead.
You know I'm a pro.
Yeah.
And I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
And I don't want to always keep on pressing confirm every time that I open a trade. It actually bothers me.
Okay.
What do you think I should do?
You want to skip the confirmation step to speed things up?
Exactly.
Okay, there is a one-click feature for those who value speed.
How do I turn it on?
In the profile settings,
Uh-huh.
you turn on the one-click trades feature.
Uh-huh.
Then you can open and close trades without confirmation.
Wow.
Yep.
That's super easy.
It is.
Nice. See you.
Anytime. بالضبط. نعم.
Hello, Gaspar.
يا أليكس just a second. نعم ضغط غني والمنصة بتساويها نفسها. صح ما في مشكلة. صح حبيبي. نعم. Yeah, what's up?
I didn't know you could speak Arabic.
Yeah, I can. Just a friend of mine called from UAE. He wanted to confirm one platform feature. Just wanted to explain.
Really? The platform is in Arabic as well?
Yeah, you can set it to any language that you need.
But what's the point if they don't speak English?
Because you can set the platform to your language. You can do it in the profile settings. Just choose the language you want and it will be set in your language.
I really didn't know this.
You're welcome.
I think I'm going to have to confirm this.
Do that right now.
Anyway, I'll be back.
Bye, Alex.
Hey, Gaspar.
Yeah, Alex, what's up? Tell me, what's the question?
You know, I just came to a conclusion that diligent traders always want to be specific about their session timings.
I guess they do.
And they may also need some useful information about their trading instrument.
I guess they may.
So in this case, where do I find information about the stocks and also maybe some useful asset information?
Okay. Next to the stock name, you have an eye icon. You press on the eye icon, you scroll down, and over there you will find all the relevant information, including the one you're looking for.
Wow.
Yep.
That was easy.
Yep.
I didn't expect it. I'm going to check that out.
Go ahead.
Anyway, thanks anyway.
Anytime.
Bye. Gaspar.
Alex, I'm busy. I'm working. Don't you see I'm busy? I'm doing my job.
Come on, I have an important question for you. Don't do this to me.
Sure. Go ahead.
Good. So you know, I'm bored with a black background and I can see different traders using other backgrounds on their charts. And I was hoping to find out if you could tell me how I can change mine to one of these interactive backgrounds.
Important indeed.
Yeah.
Sure. In the profile settings, there is a number of gorgeous background options. Choose the one you like and enjoy.
So you mean I can choose whatever background I want? Wow.
Yeah.
That was easier than I expected.
It is.
And super cool.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
I guess the next time that I miss my coffee, I'm gonna have to come straight to you.
Oh no, don't. Just have your coffee, Alex. Have your coffee, please.